Hey guys, welcome to Bouquets by Nicole. Today I'm going to be showing you a Real Touch Rose bouquet, which we'll need for this project your glue gun, a pair of scissors, our wooden holder, our styrofoam half ball, solid. We're going to use the 5.5-inch styrofoam half ball today, and this bouquet is going to be about 8 inches. You'll need your ribbon, your fat ribbon to make your leaves, your skinny ribbon, which will be used to cover your holder, and you need your roses. These are the Real Touch roses we're using today. I'm using red, deep red, and white. This is going to be gorgeous. We'll need our little brooches here. We're not using any large brooches today, so I'm going to use these flower brooches with rhinestones and pearls. Then we have our rhinestone and pearls button and this gorgeous bride rhinestone brooch. I love this brooch, and I actually have them for bridesmaids as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put your wooden holder into your styrofoam half ball. I've done that already. Like I said before, this bouquet is going to be, it's actually going to be a 9 to 10 inch bouquet, but I didn't want to use the 8-inch ball, the large styrofoam ball, because it would be too large. So, we usually cover the base with the 1-inch ribbon. We're not doing that today because these roses are pretty large, and it's actually going to totally cover up the styrofoam half ball, so you don't have to put that ribbon there like I usually do with most of my bouquets. You want to take your hot glue gun and make a hole in the styrofoam ball, put a little bit of glue in that hole so that your rose will stay in place. Now, like I said, it's a small styrofoam half ball, but we're going to stick the sticks out, the roses out a little bit, so that this will give me a 9 to 10 inch bouquet. You wouldn't do this if you used a large styrofoam half ball, but that would give me like a 11-inch bouquet. I didn't want that. That would be too big. So that's why I'm using this 5.5 inch styrofoam half ball, which will still give me my 8-inch, but I have to stick the roses out halfway instead of pushing them all the way in to the styrofoam like I usually do. So you just want to go around with your roses. She wanted mostly dark red roses and just a few white. So for every 2 red roses, then I'm just sticking in a white rose. I think the dark color of these red roses are really making the white roses pop, and it's going to make the brooches pop as well. They are gorgeous. I love these red roses. I think I'm going to make a few more bouquets using these red roses. So you just want to go around, putting in your bouquet, your roses. This bouquet is so quick. I think it took me about 10 minutes to do this one. I love working with these Real Touch roses. I mean, they're just so quick and really foolproof. So my roses are in place. I'm done. So now I'm going to show you how to make a leaf that we're going to use to cover the bottom side of the bouquet. You just want to take your fat ribbon, fold it over, cut a V at the bottom. The V's at the bottom reduce some of the ribbon so that when you go to wrap the holder, you don't get a bulk underneath. So that's why I make the V's. So you just want to go around with your satin ribbon to cover up the bottom of your bouquet. It's functional and it's also beautiful, the leaves. So I love doing that, to cover up my bouquets. So now what we're going to do is cover the bottom of the wooden holder. So you just want to take some of that fat ribbon and make a little circle, and that's what you're going to use to cover the bottom of your bouquet. And then we're going to take our 1-inch satin ribbon to cover the holder. So you just hold it real tight and just wrap your holder with your ribbon. And it's very simple, but you just have to hold it real tight so that you won't have too many wrinkles in the holder. You will get some wrinkles. It just happens, but just try to pull the ribbon as tight as you can to reduce the ribbons from the wrinkles from being too visible. Sometimes I get wrinkles and sometimes I don't, you know, but it's all good. All right, so we're done wrapping our holder. We're done covering underneath. So now we're going to go to the fun part, guys. We're going to decorate with our brooches. So I love these little embellishments here. They're not little, but it's not as big as the brooches I usually use. And I love using these. They're so delicate. They give the bouquets like a really nice feminine look without, you know, being too over the top. So if you're the type of bride who doesn't like too much bling, these little embellishments will be perfect for you. Isn't this bride brooch? I just love it. It's so cute. All right, so I got my bride brooch in place. Now I'm just going to go through with my other decorations. My flat back pearls trimmed with rhinestones. All of the supplies I'm using today can be purchased at Bouquets by Nicole individually, or you can request to have a kit for this bouquet. This bouquet is called Willow, and I will be creating a kit for this, which will have all of the supplies you need to make this bouquet. Now, to trim the holder, I'm using my new rhinestone trim. I love using this one. It's just so blingy. It's not the regular rhinestone mesh that I usually use. This is a new my new find. I love it. I just think it's so gorgeous. It's so sparkly, and it adds a really nice touch to the bouquets. It makes them look a little rich, in my opinion. Well, guys, I'm done. Wasn't that quick? This video is what, like 7 minutes. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up to encourage a sister. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time. God bless you.